Guess what, my dear students? We are going to finish our book. So, we have to work very hard during this week. Open your book on page 132. Today, we are going to discover what a decimal is and how can we work with it. After reading the information in the purple rectangle, please do the exercise number 1 and then go to the page 133 and 34. On page 133, we are going to discover what is a number line and to do some exercises. Please pay attention to the chart that is on the purple rectangle and then do exercise number 2 and exercise number 3. Pay attention, please. Now that we learned what is a decimal and a line number, we are going to do exercise number 4, exercise number 5, exercise number 6 on page 134. Page 135. We are going to talk about natural resources. We can find the information in the yellow rectangle. After that, we are going to do the exercise on the bubble and do the exercise number 1. Page 136. We are going to talk about economic activities and how they are going divided. After that, let's go to do exercise number 2 and 3. Now that we learn about natural resources and economical activities, we can do the exercise on page 137, exercise number 4 and 5. Page 138. We are going to read about tides. Read the information on the green rectangle. After that, we are going to do exercise number 1 and answer the question in the bubble. Have you heard of the niño and niña current? If your answer is not, we are going to open the book on page 139 and together we'll read about this information. After that, we are going to complete the diagram. After reading information about ties and all these things, it's time to do exercise. Open your book on page 140 and do exercise number 3 and 4. Do you remember that we talked about sculpture? Well, on page 141, we are going to discover if the sculptures can move. After reading the information on the purple rectangle, we are going to do exercise number 1. On page 142, we are going to read about mobile sculpture and completely mobile sculpture. And then we are going to identify some sculptures that can move. Let's be an artist. Please follow the instruction on exercise number 3 and 4 on page 143 because you are going to create a sculpture. During this week, we learned about many topics. Now it's time to see if we understood or not. Please answer the exercise on page 144. On page 145, we are going to continue answering the questions. On page 146, you are going to observe the picture and answer the question that you have in the chart. My dear students, guess what? We almost finished our book. We have to do a mobile, but on the exercise number 3, you are going to describe all the material that you are going to use it, and then draw a picture of your mobile. Finally, answer the question to see if you learn all the things that we read during this week. Thanks a lot. See you in the next book.